coming up at angles that are just hard to explain as satellites.
And they're moving in unison with the same goal in mind, and I believe that this is excellent proof there is something taking place in outer space that probably has intelligence behind it.
Moments after the three UFOs can be seen heading into the same sector of outer space, the video feed is lost.
NASA and some other imagery experts have suggested that quite a lot of these films actually show little more than dust or ice particles. That it's very difficult for people to look at these sorts of films and be sure whether they're looking at a massive object far away or a very, very small object close to the lens.
Some researchers believe there are a variety of explanations for so-called UFO sightings.
The reality is there are literally tens of
My little
thousands
Henrietta
of pieces of
getting to be a
space
big
junk
girl.
just trapped
My
into
little
literally
sulcata.
our upper
My
atmosphere
sulcata
that's in orbit,
tortoise.
and it
Yeah,
includes
you're going to be a
pieces
big
of
girl.
jet spacecraft, satellites that have gone
Yes, you are, and everybody
offline.
can watch
So,
you
did they
grow
really
with
see
me.
an alien craft?
Yeah.
Or did they just see maybe one of the millions of
She likes the
different
crunchy
space debris
stuff, but
objects
she
that are
likes
up
the
there?
hearts too.
We may never know.
Then on July 9th,
Right there.
2016,
There you go, honey. Yep.
yet another UFO is seen
My
entering
baby
Earth's
girl.
atmosphere. And again, the video is interrupted.
It seems almost every time
There.
there's an intriguing piece of footage from the International Space Station, something goes wrong and the feed is mysteriously cut. Now,
What a
is
good
this censorship?
baby.
Is classified information being deleted, withheld from the public? Or is it just equipment malfunctions?
Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there.
NASA claims
Lettuce
the video
hearts.
suffers regular outages
Oh, she loves
as the
those.
space station passes out of
My
range of
baby,
space
my
shuttles.
little baby.
But is this really the case?
These issues have happened
You're getting to
so
be
many
such a big
times,
girl.
you have to draw the conclusion that they are
Yeah,
really
and then
doing
she's
this
gotta get
to
burped
keep
afterwards.
information from the public.
Yep. Then she has to
As
get
evidence
burped.
gathered by the cameras of the International Space Station, or ISS, suggests that UFOs
Getting close to
really
getting
do
full,
inhabit
honey.
our world. UFO researchers believe NASA may have a hidden agenda.
Given the repeated accounts from astronauts of seeing these extraterrestrial craft, perhaps there is a very
Good one.
concerted attempt by NASA to
Oh, this
establish communication
Nice
with
red
these
lettuce for her.
I do believe the ISS is doing legit
You
research,
good girl.
but I also believe that the ISS can be a platform for communication.
My baby. My baby.
The question has always been with the International Space Station, does it have a secret mission? Is it up there doing more than just the public front view kind of stuff that they show us? Is there a possibility that it is some sort of early space intruder detector kind of craft that's designed to look for UFOs or alien spacecraft? That actually makes more sense than you might think, because there's a long history
There you
of
go,
NASA
honey.
missions having secret agendas.
Good girl.
As humans continue to push out and explore the distant reaches of space,
Yeah.
UFO researchers believe this will only increase the
That's a
possibility
good
for
baby.
contact.
Yeah.
Contact for which we may already have proof.
And then after she eats all her fill,
Crack open summer with the taste of freedom. Budweiser's red, white, and blue camo cans. Available for a limited time only.
and she comes out for a burp, to get burped. Mm. She comes up for burps.
When managing diabetes, you can't always stop for a finger stick. With the Freestyle Libre 14-day system, a continuous glucose monitor, you don't have to. With a painless 1-second scan, you can check your glucose with a smartphone or reader, so you can stay in the moment, no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Comes up and gets her
Ask your
burp.
doctor for a prescription for the Freestyle Libre 14-day system. You can do it without finger sticks. Learn more at freestylelibre.us.
Safety. It's not a fad or a trend. It's not even a priority. Priorities shift and change. At Lowe's, we believe safety is more than that. To us, it's a value. Because safety is just something that we do
Comes out for
and
the
have always done.
burps.
And that's never been more important than now. Safety unites us. Home unites us.
It's grilled cheese time, yeah, time for grilled cheese. After we make the grilled
Here
cheese,
goes one.
grilled cheese because it's time.
That was a burpee.
Time for grilled cheese.
We've been telling you about how comfortable Cane 11 socks are for a while now. You know, the socks that come in individual sizes to fit each individual size foot perfectly. But we thought it'd be so much better to show you what Cane 11 comfort really feels like. The moment you slide these on, you know you're wearing something special. After all, your feet come in individual sizes, shouldn't your socks? It's a feeling your feet have never felt before that's earned us the reputation of the most comfortable sock in the world. At Cane 11, our socks come in 11 individual sizes for men and 7 for women. Great colors and looks to fit everyone.